Hello world, this is Lisa Friedrichsen, your friend and computer science professor from Johnson County Community College. And in this short screencast, we're going to talk about logical operators in JavaScript of and or. And when you're in math class, you learn how to do Venn diagrams and find out where two things are both true or only one of two things is true. And there's a lot of logic in math. And so we want to unpack the and or operators in JavaScript. The and operator is made with two ampersands. The or operator is made with two pipe symbols. The pipe symbol can be interesting to find on the keyboard because it kind of moves around depending upon how big your keyboard is. Mine is right above the insert key, which is also my backslash key. But I'm working on a laptop, so your pipe symbol, which is two vertical lines, one on top of each other, could be in another location. But we'll be using it in this exercise for or. And over here in my JavaScript, I have 4 small variables declared. I've set A to 10, B to 20, C to 30, and D to 40. And I'm console logging out on lines 21 and 22 the result of this expression. Is A less than B? In this case, it would be, is 10 less than 20? This is going to log out the result of that expression, which is true. In this statement, is C 30 less than D 40? That's also true, so that's going to console log out true. In this if statement, I'm saying if A is less than B, 10 is less than 20, true, amper amper, and C is less than D, then console log true true. Both of these in an and statement must be true. Both sides must be true for the statement to run. In this case, line 26, I'm using the or symbol with the pipe symbol. In this case, only one side has to be true for the entire expression to be evaluated true and the statement to run. So I'll save and refresh, and let's see what we get in our console. On line 21, A is less than B, true. On line 22, C is less than D, true. So both are true. We console out true, true. And we also console log out one of these is true because in the or operator, if the first side is true, it doesn't even go to the work of evaluating the other side because only one needs to be true. If the first side is true, the expression stops and evaluates as true. Now let's make one side false. Let's make D number 4 instead of 40. I'll save and see what our new console looks like. Refresh. So now on line 21, A is still less than B, 10 is still less than 20. C, 30, is not less than D. So line 22 evaluates false. Now on line 23, we don't even get this console log of true, true anymore because after all, both of these statements are not true. One is false. So we don't even run line 24. But down here in line 26, because A is still less than B, because one side of the or is still true, one of these is true, and I still get that message. Go back and do it one more time. Let's try one more set of numbers. Save, refresh. This time, A less than B is false. C is less than D, true. Again, this one's not going to run because they're not both true. But in this case, even though this is false now, 100 is not less than 20. This part's true, so one of these is true. It's console logging. Thank you.